What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on the truck again. I got a little harness for the driver's side seat to see if I can I don't know, help myself be a little bit more secure, a little safer inside the truck, because it gets a little wild in here sometimes. So we're gonna be putting that in today. Also, yeah, cool. Oh, Buggo died. So we're putting that in. It's I got it from my buddy. It's a 3-point harness. So one side, and then the strap comes over both sides here and connects in the back at one point. So I'm gonna try to run it all through and see what we can do with that. Boom, boom. Don't mind that, that's normal. Just to show you what I got, a little 3-point harness. Oh man, I should have undid this while I had the camera off. Now it looks like a goofball. So you get the idea. One side. This is gonna be bolted down in the back. This is gonna go behind the seat and bolt this in. Or this is the seatbelt part of the seat, and the seatbelt light will chime in if it's not buckled. So don't know if I just need to go and get one of the little pieces that you could just clip in here. So we got a little progress update. We bolted in. Oh. I got too far ahead of myself. Give me a second. Boom, boom. Bolted in the left side harness to the factory bolt hole. I'm using the right side for the center seat as my right bracket, and then I'm going to use this one here for the back one, because can't really bolt the back gear unless I cut a hole in that, and I'm not doing that. But so far looks pretty cool, but it's pretty clean. I mean, I like it. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's kind of cool. I'm gonna go for a drive, see what it looks like, see how it feels. Woo! She sounds good. Turn her on. Boom. Everything's working. The harness looks good. Feels good. Nice and tight. Kind of like it. Might get a little rowdy.